Today we're here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Night token for the month of January? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. I thought this would be a pretty interesting test for ChatGPT just because Night token really is just now starting to come out. Tokens are just starting to thaw. And with a token with basically no trading history, I wanted to see how ChatGPT or how close ChatGPT would be to guessing the price. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we are doing the guessing game again, and this time it is midnight, Night token. This is the first time Night token had been included, and it has a very limited trading history. Use the larger crypto market as a whole and current events for the guess, not past monthly data. We are guessing the price of Night for January 2026. Right now, Night is sitting at around 8 cents. Give me 3 guesses for January 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Okay, and we officially have our answer right over here. I did think about this. Normally we don't want them to explain how they got the answer, but because this is a brand new token that has very little trading history and is still thawing and basically being introduced to the community, I am going to actually ask it for a very brief explanation once we're done going over the numbers. If you're interested, you can stick around for that. But it's now time for the bullish guess. The bullish guess is 14.5 cents, range 13.5 cents to 15.5 cents. The official guess, 10 cents, range 9.5 cents to almost 11 cents. And the bearish guess, just under 7 cents, range about 6 cents to just under 7.5 cents. Current price is just under 9 cents. So there we have it, guys. Those are the official guesses. Right here's the official guess. This is the guess that we always go off of. I might give it a little bit more leeway because, like I said, there is no trading history with Night token really. But like I did say, we normally don't ask how they got the results, but I am interested on a quick response from ChatGPT. Since Night is still really new and doesn't have much trading history yet, can you quickly explain how you came up with your guess? Just keep it short. Okay, and here is the response. Since Midnight is still brand new, I didn't lean on any past price patterns at all. I based the guess on the broader crypto market cycle, Cardano's ecosystem momentum, how new utility tokens usually behave after early trading settles, and current sentiment around privacy-focused chains. The bullish case assumes strong adoption and healthy market, the bearish scenario if hype cools off and the market pulls back, and the official guess sits on the middle as a realistic outcome if things stay steady but not absolutely hyperbolic craziness. But there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think for this particular video in particular. Do you like us trying to guess the price of brand new cryptocurrencies? Do you like the response that ChatGPT gave us for the reason of the guess? Are you bullish or bearish on Night token? Let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.